Okay, next up here is the chart of Apple. We have now broken out of our range, not in the way that I was hoping, but we are where we are. Came back down here to 150. Did not think it was going to happen this fast, but again, we are where we are now, and all we can do is look forward for potential opportunities. Overall, the chart is still in an uptrend. This could potentially just be a simple pullback, possibly reloading for some more buyers to step in. Haven't seen any dark pool or block trades in Apple lately, so with all that in mind, it's not overly bearish yet, but it is starting to get some fear into the trade. With that in mind, there's still a couple of levels here holding as support. First of all, the 21 period exponential and the level of 150, nice round number. Second of all, the 50-day simple moving average is coming up, which will likely be around 145 to 147 and over the next couple of days. And if price comes down there, should have some buyers. One thing worth noting here, first of all, on the weekly chart, is as it stands a very bearish setup. If it was to close here, this is a potential reversal signal, as you can call it a pipe top. Essentially, you have two matching highs, and if this closes down in this level, basically the matching lows. Tells me that there are no more buyers, at least not near enough to push it any higher, and the tide has turned. Bears will probably start to pile in. With that in mind, going forward, I can run back down into the day chart, and I'm still going to remain bullish because we are still in a semi-strong momentum trend, holding above this 21 period exponential moving average. And we had a bit of a H sell setup here on the close into the 15-minute here. You can see the leg down, a little bit of a dead cat bounce, all the way back down to this same support. Now that we're at this level, this 15-minute indecision candle right here is going to give levels to trade against. Basically, if you want to take a bullish trade, you would look for a long above 150.43 with a stop below. And if you wanted to be bearish, you would be trading for this breakdown of 150 to continue lower versus this high of 150.42, possibly even 151, depending on what your risk tolerance is. Me personally, I'm going to wait 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes into the open to see if I can get a sense of price direction. I'm going to attempt to remain bullish and look for price action above this level here, so I'll be looking for a long over 150.50. And stop just below this 150 level. However, at the same time, I will also keep in mind that this is a potential breakdown. So if it does break down below here and below my stop, maybe I'll look at some some puts. Call 149.75 versus a stop just over here. So I'm not going to put that. I'm not going to put that on there. It's just going to clutter it up a whole lot right there. But anyways, if that does trigger in, the next stop, based on my chart anyways, is around 145. Now I don't think it would get there. I think it's actually going to be more bullish than anything. But what I think does not matter. And what matters is what price action does and what the market does with the stock. So keeping that in mind, this is going to be my trade plan going forward. And now that I have these levels on here, this is really the only plan that I'm going to have. Is essentially we're at a turning point. It's going to go one way or the other, either a support or a breakdown. Good luck.